Okay, welcome to BaseConverge. So today we're going to be discussing how to create your timetable, schedule your timetable for your school so that your teacher and your student can have virtual classroom present on BaseConverge. Okay, so you have set up your account, we know and we believe that you have set up your teachers and your student, and also you've set up classes and session and your subject on this BaseConverge platform. If you haven't done that, so you can refer to our videos on how to create those for reference purpose before you come into your timetable. So your timetable scheduler, all you have to do is that you need to hit your add button to be able to add subject to a particular day and time of your class duration. All right, so on the timetable interface, we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and for schools or for some academic institutions that runs Saturdays and Sundays classes or lectures, you have Saturday and Sunday in your timetable scheduler canvas. All right, so to create a timetable, all you need to do is hit on your add button, then on the list. So you're gonna select a class you're creating a particular subject to slot into your timetable. You select the class, you select the session, either is ABC or whatever it is that you have configured in your settings. So you can check our videos on how to set up your classes, session, and subject. Right? You need to select the subject, then select the teacher. This is listing from your teacher's database. So if you don't know how to add your teachers, you can reference a teacher, how to add teachers video to be able to know how to do that. So you select the teacher for this particular subject, then you select the day by which you want to place this particular subject, then when the class is going to be starting, the time and the minute this particular class will be starting, and when this class or lecture is supposed to end. All right, so this is going to select the hour and the minute this particular class is supposed to end. Then this part is just for information purpose, to be able to see the students that are in this class, to be sure that you're doing the right thing. Right, okay, so you select save record. So when you click on save record, it's going to automatically place the subject in the appropriate day you have selected in your timetable canvas. All right, so you can at any point in time edit this particular subject. If for an instance it has been moved to Tuesday, you can select edit, then comes to the day and select Tuesday. Your timetable scheduler canvas will automatically rearrange and place your timetable to your appropriate place. So if you want to remove, all you need to do is just to select this cog icon, then click on delete. So this will help you remove that particular subject from your timetable scheduler canvas. Right, okay, so this is how to create timetable in your BaseConverge portal. So you can at any point in time, after timetable is being created, come here to select the classes to be able to see the timetable and the session, to see the timetable that are associated to this particular class and session. You can filter at any point in time, and you can at the same time edit at any point in time. So thank you for listening. You can also check all other videos that we have on BaseConverge. Thank you.